Hello, I am petroonishchuk. Today's nice video from a series of videos about SwiftUI and Firebase, where I try to create a to-do app. In this video, I try to add sign up with Google in our application, and also add sign up with Google method in Firebase application. First, to work with sign with Google in our application, first we must add sign with Google package to our Xcode project, and also we must add a new sign method to our Firebase application. And now I try to add Google sign package. Select these two options. And now, as you can see on the button, we have two new libraries, Google Sign and Google Sign with Swift. Then we must add a new method in our Firebase Authentication. We add a new provider, select Google, enable, select your email, tap Save. This means we add a new method to our Firebase Authentication. Now you can see we have three methods for sign in our application: email and password, Google and Apple. And last, inside our Google service info playlist, we copy this URL and put this URL in our info section. And now, after we set up sign with Google in our SwiftUI application and also in Firebase application, I want to show you what I have changed in this project. But you can also download this project from my GitHub repository and compare it to previously project and see what I have changed compared to previously project in this new project. First, let's move to our main login view. This is our main login view with button what I put inside main login view and inside with text. This is our simulator, and now how look our main login view with text and 4 buttons: sign in, sign up, sign in with Apple, and also sign in with Google. This is our sign in with Google. And also I create a 2 default button for sign in with Google. Inside this folder we have our 3 buttons. First button is default button. Second button is like default button, but this is a custom button, but I create this button look like default button. And also this is our custom button what we have in our simulator. You can download this project from the Git repository and see how I create this button. Next, inside my app model, I add method for work with Google Sign. This is our first method. This is our second method for work with Google Sign. And also, I create a 2 variant of TextField for work with multiple lines. Inside our edit task view, I use the first variant. This is our first variant. Inside to-do list view, I create a second variant. This is our second variant. And now, when I run a simulator, we have our main login view, and also we have our 4 buttons: sign in, sign up, sign in with Apple, sign in with Google. And now I tap sign in with Apple. Tap continue. We sign in our application. And now I select a first task. I can edit this task. Now you can see we have multiple line text field. Info section, first name, last name about our user, and also our email. We can edit our user, but can edit email of our user because we use sign in with Apple like method when we sign in our application. Now I select sign in with Google. We have our 3 tasks. We also have our info section, and also we have our email. We can also update email in our user because we use sign in with Google method when we sign in our application. This is the end of this video. In this video, I try to explain how you can add sign in with Google method in your SwiftUI application, and also how you can add sign in with Google method in your Firebase application. How I said previously, completed project of my video you can find in my Git repository, and download this project and look what I changed and what I create in this project. This is the end. Thank you for watching.